Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make easy chicken palau. So let's get started. I've got here 5 cups of hot water, 1.5 kilos of chicken which I have cut into pieces, washed and rinsed it, 2 cups of Basmati rice or you can use any rice of your choice, 1 large onion which I have thinly sliced, 1 star anise, 1 10cm piece of cinnamon stick which I have broken into pieces, 6 cloves, 4 cardamom pods which I have crushed, 1 teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, salt to taste, some ginger, garlic and chili paste. What I have done is taken 8 garlic cloves, 1-inch piece of ginger and 2 chilies and ground it to a paste. 2 tablespoons of ghee or you can use 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of homemade palau masala. You can get palau masala from any Indian shop. If you want to know how to make palau masala, I'll put a link below. For my cucumber and onion salad, I've got here 2 salad onions, 2 cucumbers, 2 teaspoons of white vinegar or you can use 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of chili powder or you can add it according to your taste and 1 teaspoon of salt. Place a pot on medium heat, add oil and heat it. Add onions, give it a mix and fry it until the onions are translucent. Add star anise, cinnamon stick, cloves and crushed cardamom. Mix it and continue cooking it until the onions get a medium brown color. Add cumin and mustard seeds, give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. Add curry leaves, give it a mix and cook it for another 30 seconds. Add chicken and 2 teaspoons of salt. Give it a mix, cover it and cook it for 15 minutes, stirring it twice during cooking. Add palau masala, soy sauce and ginger, garlic and chili paste. Mix it well to combine. Cover it and cook it for 5 minutes. While the chicken is cooking, wash the rice and drain all the water. After 5 minutes, add rice, hot water and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Give it a quick mix, cover it and bring it to a boil. Once it starts to boil, mix it again and taste your salt. It doesn't need any more salt, but you can add it according to your taste. Put the lid back on, lower the heat and cook it for 30 minutes, stirring it twice during cooking. While the palau is cooking, let's get the onion and cucumber salad ready. Cut the onions in half and cut it into thin slices and put it in a dish. Take 1 cucumber at a time, cut one end off and rub it against the cucumber in a circular motion to remove the milk. Cut a small slice off again and repeat this on the other side. Remove the skin and rinse it. Cut the cucumber in half lengthwise and then cut it in half again. Cut it into small pieces and put it in the dish with onions. Add chili powder, salt and vinegar. Mix it well to combine, cover it and put it aside. After 30 minutes, turn the heat off and garnish it with some fresh or frozen coriander leaves. I'm using frozen coriander leaves. If you want to know how to freeze coriander leaves, I'll put a link below. My easy chicken palau is ready and you can make it and serve it to family and friends with some onion and cucumber salad, tomato chutney or tamarind chutney. Leftover chicken palau can be kept in a sealed container in the fridge for up to 1 week or in the freezer for up to 3 months. When you are ready to use your leftover palau, sprinkle some water on the top before warming. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.